Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to play games in your laptop. So we'll be downloading PC PCSX2 software. So first you have to install this software within your system. So first go to this website and simply download it from here. So click on the latest blog. Inside the latest blog, you'll be able to see some sort of links. So let me just find it. Okay, on the top you have that download, and from here you just need to download the stable version. That's the first step. And once you download it, you just need to install it. That's all. Okay, then this is done. So I already have the software, so I'll be not downloading it now. After the installation, click on the software icon, open it, then go to the config, not config, iOS selector. Basically iOS selector is basically a file which belongs to your game. You just need to select it. Once you select the file, so here I'll be selecting one of the games. So it's a smackdown iOS file. So I selected it and I'll click on the system and then click on the any of these. Mostly I'll prefer fast one, the second option. And once you click on it, it'll start loading your game, and here you are. So your game will start working. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching video. Thanks so much, have a great day, see ya.